Engineering's a great career choice for young people. I feel it's very vast and varied, and there's a lot of young people leaving school. There's lots of avenues to go down in engineering. You could be looking to get into the aerospace side of engineering, and you could be looking like myself, who has a background in subsea oil and gas in the North Sea, or you could look at going further afield. There's a lot of engineering-based companies in Canada, through to places in Australia where engineering students have worked their way through and they're manufacturing components for compression chambers for diving equipment. So there's lots of different fields you can end up in engineering. It's very, very vast and varied. Therefore, a great choice for a career. A lot of the students, after successfully completing their courses at college, usually go down the apprenticeship route. Basically means they earn while they learn. The college it's got a few links with Strathclyde University. We've got the Engineering Academy links. We also offer swap access to STEM, and that's for students who have no previous qualifications, and it allows them entry into university or the HNC option. I started as an engineering student at the college when I was 16, and I passed through the courses from low level further to higher level courses into industry, and got my apprenticeship out of it. So I can see myself in a lot of the students. The lectures at the college, they're very industry based. Also, the kit we use is industry standard. We've got the best CNC machines. We also, within the engineering courses, there is computing units, and we do promote engaging with employers. We help them with creating their CVs and how to present themselves at interview. A lot of students will ask us for advice, and also in the machine shop and the practical elements of the engineering courses we teach, we do promote the students to take the components they've manufactured from the college to interview with potential employers, because they're really good data. They're hands-on. They can explain how they've made them. They can show them surface finishes and textures, and the employer, it's a really impressive thing to see for them. The main thing we look for in applicants is a passion and a drive, a passion for engineering, a passion to learn. I want to engage with them, and I want them to ask me questions. I want them to show an interest in engineering and the courses we're providing. Also, on the same note, we don't expect the students to know everything about the courses. They give students a taste of different environments in engineering, from welding to CNC to hand fitting. So it gives them maybe a wee interest in something that they might look to pursue further. A lot of students thought and think that we would be face-to-face teaching online all day, and it doesn't work like that. We use Microsoft Teams, which is really, really interactive. It's really well laid out for us to work with, and we're actually, the students are probably getting a lot more support just now than they do when we're in college, because you're always there, you're online all the time, and they can ask you quick questions, even though if it's not during their lecture, and they can get feedback instantly. So that helps. We do face-to-face teaching, and we deliver presenting online with the same kind of data that we're using in the college. Obviously, the practical element's the only element that we can't engage with, but they are engaging well. Some students are using laptops, some students are using tablets, some students are using PCs, some students have been using their phone, and they can still interact with Microsoft Teams and still get a good level of learning.